Meaning of intensive care.
Intensive care.
Intensive care.
Intensive care.
Intensive care. Intensive care refers to a specialized medical treatment given to patients who are critically ill or injured and require constant monitoring and support for their vital functions, such as breathing and circulation. Patients in intensive care units, ICUs, are often hooked up to various machines and devices that help keep their body functioning properly, and they may receive medications and other treatments around the clock. ICU care is typically provided by a team of highly trained healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, and respiratory therapists, who work together to provide the best possible care for the patient.